visit was based on World Food India Expo. Then I basically visited to meet Minister of Cooperative Minister in India and also Food Security Minister in India. As well as today evening I have to address the World Bank event with World Food in India events. And also we hope to develop the cooperative sector in Sri Lanka. After 1978, open economy established. Then after that, the cooperative sector almost abandoned. Then it's become a private business. Then after that, cooperative sector almost collapsed. Right now, it's not people's property. The government, with the initiative by the peoples and President Andra Kumara Dissanayake and present government, giving full support to the cooperative sector, and cabinet took a decision to strengthen cooperative sector in Sri Lanka.
What are the areas in which you can replicate the cooperative sector?
That's what, that's what we are going to get knowledge sharing, capacity building, and what the good example and good experience in Indian cooperative sectors, just like Namol and other cooperative food processing and other production cooperative, what to get a good example, just like NCCL and NAFED, what they are doing in cooperative sector in India. But we had a discussion with NAFED and NCCL. We are going to have a technical discussion with their management body, and we have a discussion with the ministerial level discussions and ministers discussion. So we plan to knowledge sharing and experience sharing discussion, and further we are planning now to establish good cooperation with Indian cooperative sectors and Sri Lanka cooperative sector. That what we had we got this strong relation with this visit in India on the cooperative sectors, good and best practice with the Indian cooperative sector in this visit.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.